You're watching Tap Tech, where we break down the latest in tech with real insights and simple reviews. If you want honest takes on the newest devices, you're in the right place. The Insta360 Flow 2 is here, and it's aiming to be more than just another smartphone gimbal. This is a product designed to give creators, vloggers, and casual users a tool that blends stabilization, smart features, and portability in a way that feels effortless. Let's dive in and see if it really delivers what it promises. The Flow 2 builds on the original Insta360 Flow, which already made waves with its AI tracking and foldable design. The new model takes everything a step further, and it's clear that Insta360 has listened to feedback from its users. You get improved stabilization, longer battery life, smarter tracking, and an overall sleeker feel. For anyone filming on the go, this gimbal could be a serious game changer. Design and build quality on the Flow 2 are excellent. It feels sturdy without being heavy. At just under 400 grams, it's light enough to carry in a backpack or even in a jacket pocket, but it doesn't feel fragile. The folding design remains one of its biggest strengths. With a quick snap, it's ready to go, and when you're done, it folds down into a compact form that's easy to store. The materials feel premium, and the grip has a textured surface that helps with comfort during longer shoots. When it comes to performance, this gimbal shines. The 3-axis stabilization keeps your footage buttery smooth, even when walking or running. The motors feel stronger compared to the previous version, which means it can handle heavier smartphones, including those with lens attachments. For mobile creators who often worry about shaky footage, this is the kind of tool that eliminates that concern. One of the most impressive features is the upgraded AI tracking. Insta360 calls it Deep Track 3.0, and it's not just marketing hype. It locks onto a subject quickly and keeps tracking even when there are obstacles or sudden movements. Whether you're filming yourself, a pet, or even fast-moving sports, the Flow 2 does a fantastic job of keeping the subject in frame. The built-in tripod is another handy feature. You can set it up anywhere and start filming hands-free. This makes it not only useful for vloggers but also for anyone who needs to capture steady time-lapse or creative shots without carrying extra gear. Battery life is another area where the Flow 2 improves. You get up to 12 hours of use on a single charge, which is more than enough for a full day of shooting. And if your phone is running low, the Flow 2 can double as a power bank, charging your device while you film. That's a thoughtful touch for creators who often burn through battery life quickly. Software integration is seamless. The Insta360 app pairs instantly with the Flow 2 and unlocks a suite of creative tools. You get options like auto editing, cinematic templates, gesture control, and live streaming support. Features like Shot Genie provide shooting tips and settings suggestions based on your environment, making it easier for beginners to capture professional-looking footage without needing a ton of experience. For creative performance, the Flow 2 opens doors. Hyperlapses, slow-motion tracking shots, cinematic pans, and dramatic reveals all become easier to capture. It doesn't just stabilize, it adds to the creativity by removing the technical limits that usually come with handheld shooting. Audio performance isn't the Flow 2's focus since it doesn't have built-in microphones, but it integrates well with external gear. With a mounted mic or a wireless lav, you can create a full mobile setup that's professional and compact. Connectivity is simple. It works over Bluetooth, and once paired, it's very reliable. You don't deal with dropped connections or lag when controlling the camera through the gimbal. The physical controls are responsive too. A new scroll wheel makes zooming and mode switching faster and smoother. Price-wise, the Flow 2 sits in a sweet spot. It's more affordable than some professional gimbals, but it offers premium features that make it worth the investment. If you're serious about mobile content creation, the value here is hard to beat. Of course, no device is perfect. The Flow 2 isn't completely weatherproof, so using it in heavy rain isn't recommended. Also, while it supports bigger phones, adding very bulky cases or heavy lens kits can sometimes test the motor strength. Still, these are small trade-offs compared to what you gain. In the end, the Insta360 Flow 2 feels like one of the most well-rounded gimbals for smartphones right now. It combines portability, smart features, and top-tier stabilization into one package that's easy to use and reliable. For vloggers, travelers, or anyone looking to improve their mobile videos, this is a tool worth considering. You've been watching Tap Tech, where we give you clear and honest reviews to help you decide what's worth your time and money. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to stick around for more deep dives into the latest gear.